Located in the north of Pakistan, Barikot is the first tehsil of district Swat. This place has rich history with the numerous beautiful spots to visit. According to 2017 census, the population of all the village in Barikot is approximately 184,000. Among the old relics found in Barikot, Bazira excavation is easily accessible. The ancient Bazira was once conquered, popular by Alexander the Great, in 327 BC. It has remained capital of many great empires in which Maurya, Greek, Kushan, and Sasani signs are present in 4 layers of ruins. There are several temples in a town, which was destroyed by earthquake in 3rd century. At the top of Gundai Mount, a temple has been discovered recently, which is traced back to Turk Shahi times. On the backside of Bazira ruins, a long bridge is present on River Swat. It is one of the longest bridges in Pakistan that is made up of steel. This bridge was constructed in collaboration with UAE after 2010 floods in Pakistan. Nearby areas of the bridge provides an excellent, attractive spot for a visitor to spend some time. At a small distance of about 500 meters from cool environment of Swat River side, one can enter into hustle and bustle of Barikot market streets. It is the largest market of Barikot tehsil and is popular for cloth businesses and tasty ice creams. Moving to the north of Barikot market, one can see another archaeological site in the form of Shingardar Stupa. This site was identified by the Konoldines and Stein. An anecdote is popular about the stupa that an old king of Swat named Utrasena was traveling on his white elephant. When they reached to the relic spot, the elephant suddenly dropped down and died, turning into a rock. The king built stupa to preserve the relics. Since Barikot is very rich in archaeology, it has the oldest relics of South Asia in the form of Balokle Stupa. The double-dome stupa is unique in its architecture and was discovered in 1938. Although there are different sources about its origin, majority are of opinion that it was built in 2nd century BC by followers of Buddhism in the honor of Gautam Buddha. This place is 5 kilometers south of Barikot market. Buddhism has remained the dominant religion of district Swat. The followers of Buddha has constructed stupas at various places for worshipping. One such stupa is present in Amlukdara village, which is about 10 kilometer distance from Barikot market. This relic is 2700 years old, according to Dr. Luca, an Italian archaeologist, who is working with Barikot's relics since 1987. From the site of this stupa, one can see the giant mountains of Ilam, which is famous for huge cobras and black magic. Buddhism followers were considering Ilam mountains as a sacred place, because many monks had spent time in this place. The height of Ilam mountain is 2,800 meters and is among the highest peaks of district Swat. Not very far from the Ilam mountain is another visiting spot known as Karakar Hills. This spot is popular for its zigzag roads, tall waterfalls, and pine trees. At the top of the hill, rulers of Swat known as Waliye Swat in the 20th century had built his own residence. Karakar Top also serves as the boundary line between Swat district and Buner district. Local visitors enjoy this place on holidays. district Swat is called Switzerland of Pakistan, and Barikot Tehsil is an important part of the district. There are majestic mountains, green trees, and babble of river Swat everywhere. People from all over the country visit these places and enjoy their holidays. So come and see the rich archaeological sites and beautiful sceneries of the Barikot Swat.